What will the last third of your life look like? Will you have the stamina to keep up with your grandkids? Will you spend most of your time in doctors' offices or medical facilities riddled with pain or disease? Or doing the things you truly enjoy? Will you age with vitality? Or grow old with forgetfulness? The average person today spends the last third of their life with pain or chronic disease. That's not okay. What if there was a way to reverse that? Our bodies are brilliant and not meant to decay. Given the right tools, your body can repair, restore, and regenerate to a younger, healthier state. Consider the price of staying where you are. Do you choose to remain on this trajectory? What if you could change your future? The choice is yours. For more information, contact the person who sent you this or see below.